Hi guys, and welcome to this short program, An Introduction to Strategic Design. My name is Stefano and I am a design strategist. Well, probably this doesn't tell you a lot about what I do, so let's take a look at what strategic design is. Strategic design is an emerging field of studies, but also a set of techniques and practices bringing together strategic thinking and design thinking. So, let's explore these two different ways of thinking. Okay then, let's get started with strategic thinking. Strategic thinking theories really emerge, or better start to emerge, after the Second World War. Let's say that the field is about 70 years old. The reason why strategic thinking theories start to emerge at that point in time is because it was the first time in history that corporations start to perceive a skyrocketing level of competition in many industries. Corporations then were looking for new techniques, new methodologies that enables them to create unique value for their customers, or in other words, to position themselves in a part of the industry that was less exposed to the competitive forces. As you can see, strategic thinking is one of those topics full of jargon, and can be definitely intimidating for those that didn't study business strategy in college. But fear not, we will simplify that. In conclusion, strategic thinking really helps us to understand the environment in which we are competing and the forces at play in it. But also, strategic thinking provides us with clues about the direction we can go in order to innovate, but unfortunately lacks of the methodologies and the toolkit that we need in order to create a sustainable portfolio of growth initiatives. Therefore, welcome to design thinking. Design thinking is really an infant when compared to strategic thinking. The field of design thinking is about 5 to 10 years old and is frequently confused with the conventional understanding that we have of design, which is completely product-centered. The problem in there is that I have a product and I need to make it a little bit more pleasing to the eye or a little bit more functional. Design thinking instead starts with the customer in mind and try to understand what is in the way of my customer in order to achieve whatever the customer wants to achieve. Design thinking obviously is about problem solving, but design thinking is about problem solving as much as it is about problem finding. Because the process of design really starts with an understanding of the problem that our customer faces on a daily basis. And only after we understand or we frame the problem correctly, we enter into problem solving. Design thinking, therefore, is great for those growth initiatives in which we have very little data and we don't know exactly where to start. So, now that we have introduced two different ways to think about business, strategic thinking that provides clues about the direction we should take in order to innovate, and design thinking that really provides the tools and the methodologies we can use in order to create and manage growth initiative, let me tell you a little bit more about this course. In the next video, we are going to see a little bit more about strategic thinking. In the third video, we are going to deepen our knowledge of design thinking. In the fourth video, we try to combine them, and in the fifth and last video, we try to wrap up what we have learned. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.